lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some simple tasty shito. You're going to love it. Very healthy also. And so please relax and watch this video. Make sure to give it a try, okay? Before we go on, if you know you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. So let's start by lighting our stove. Have my pan on stove with oil. I'm going to make use of these ingredients: pepper, ginger, garlic. This is bell pepper, red and green bell peppers. Yes, and I did not throw away the seeds. These are onions, spring onions, and fresh onions. This is a dry pepper, and this is fish powder. And I'm going to make use of this tomato paste and these spices, mixed spices. So I just added bay leaves to my oil. My oil is hot, so I'm going to stir fry all my ingredients. So I just added my peppers, garlic and gingers to it. Now use the quantity according to the way you want it, and I'm adding my bell peppers also to it. I don't usually throw my bell pepper the seeds away. I add them to my ingredients and blend. Do you get it? And so I'm going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add the spices, the mixed spices to it. So use any spices of your choice. This is anise seed, rosemary, calabash nut, star anise, and all of that. So use them, the ones you want. So I just added my fresh onions to it, and I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, sorry, before I will add my spring onions. Yes, so I covered for 2 minutes. I'm going to add the spring onions. You know, spring onions, they cook very quick. Yes, so I'm going to add my spring onions also to it, and then stir fry this for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to after 2 minutes I'll put off the fire and then let it cool completely. I'll let it cool completely. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and follow my page on Facebook, Max Kitchen. Okay. And so at this point it's okay. We are going to put it off, and then we are going to allow our ingredients to cool down very well. Okay, so at this point you are going to blend it. I'm trying to take the bay leaves out. I'm not going to blend them. Yes, then I'll blend the rest of the ingredients with the oil. And so this blending, I'm not going to add water to it. I'm just going to use the oil to blend it. Yes, so the oil will aid it. So after blending, I poured it back into my pan on fire, and we are going to cook this too. So I used water to rinse the blender. Yes, so we are going to cook this for the oil to come out very well. I'm going to add my tomato paste to it. So with Shito, you don't need too much tomato paste. That is why I used just 2. You can even do this without tomato paste and it will still turn out great. Do you get it? You can also decide to use fresh tomatoes. Do you get it? Okay. And so I'm going to cook this very well for it to the oil to ooze or come out very well. So I just decided to add some bay leaves also to it. Yes. Okay, so let's cover and allow it to cook very well, but make sure that you be stirring it intermittently so that your sauce doesn't burn, to prevent any bitter taste. Do you get it? And so we'll be cooking. You are checking on it again. At this point I'll be adding my pepper to it, the chili pepper, that's the powdered pepper that I have. I'll be adding it to it, and then continuing with the cooking process. Do you get it? Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. So I'm adding my fish powder to it. You can use any protein of your choice. You can decide to even add meat to it, dry it, or gizzard, fry it very well, add it to it. And so I'm adding some of the oil to it, yes. And then I'm adding black pepper, I'll add white pepper, and then I'll add yes, my all-purpose seasoning to it. So use the seasonings that you want, that are okay for you. Now at this point, I'm not going to add salt. Salt will be the last thing that I'll add, and I'll make sure that I'll cook this thing to get all the moisture out very well. And when I get to know that, okay, I like the consistency that I'm having now, then I'll add my salt. Do you get it? I will taste first. So you see, I'm now going to add my salt. I tasted because I add seasonings to it. Some of the seasonings contain salt, so you have to taste to make sure that you need more salt. Then you add the quantity that you want. Okay. So this is it. Our shito is ready. Now, because I'll keep this in the fridge, I did not use much oil. But if you know you're going to keep it on the countertop, make sure you add a lot of oil to it. And so this is our shito. You can serve with your kenke, your banku, your gari, your yam, your rice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.